Morning all, and Riya Nehmer from Sayyid Hamid Senior Secondary School Boys under self-finance scheme. So today I want to start a chapter, Suburb, and it is written by A.J. Cronin. So this writer is a British writer. This writer is a British writer. So basically this story tells about Dr. Andrew Mason. Dr. Andrew Mason, who is newly medical professional doctor. Other character is Joe Morgan. He is basically a miner and he is from the city Blaney. Next character is Susan Morgan, the wife of John Morgan. So both are expected to have a baby after nearly 20 years of marriage. So Dr. Andrew was in a lot of tension as he came to deliver the child after meeting his friend and his girlfriend, whose name is Christine. He was in so much tense that he wanted to perform an operation also of Susan Morgan. So Dr. Andrew reached his flat, that is named as Bringover, to take a bag and then reach the hospital for the delivery of the child. So there is also a character, midwife. Midwife is also another character in the story. What happened in this story? That the person reached the medical. So midwife was present at there, and midwife and Mrs. Morgan's mother both are present in the hospital. So Mrs. Morgan's mother is tall and stout lady. So what happened in the story? When the midwife asked the doctor, what will you give her? So doctor said he will give her anesthesia to save the life of the baby and her mother. But Susan Morgan was not want to take chloroform. Yeah, that is, you can say the injection of chloroform or anesthesia, you can say. She did not want to take. But at about 12 o'clock, the baby was born and it was pale and lifeless. So Dr. Andrew became very shocked to see that the child was born lifeless and pale. And at about an hour later, doctor had decided to do something else to save the child and her mother. So what did he do? He gave the artificial respiration to the child. Artificial respiration to the child. Artificial respiration to the child. After doing artificial respiration, there was no movement in the baby boy body. There is no movement. So doctor tried to do something else. So what did he do? He tried to compress from hot water and cold water. He alternated between two water. He mixed hot water into cold water and tried to give some technique to the baby boy. So what happened? The midwife had filled a hypodermic syringe and she tried to give the injection to the mother. So doctor was in a lot of tension as he came to meet after his friend Christine. He was in so much tense. So what did doctor do? Doctor tried to save the life of the mother first, because the mother body was fragile. She became very fragile, became very weak. So doctor tried to save the baby, mother first. Then he will get to the baby. So doctor tried to save the mother first, and then when doctor went towards baby, he started giving some technique and he tried to save the baby life so that mother and baby can become life can become safe. So what happened? Doctor had rubbed the child's chest with a very hard thing. So from after that, rubbing the child with a rough towel, the baby's bubble of mucus came from one tiny nostril, and the baby's child came crying. The baby was crying. So nurse sobbed hysterically, and she told that, "Dear Father in heaven, thank God the child is safe." So at last, doctor had done some miracle, and doctor had saved the life of the baby as well as mother. But Joe Andrew, the father of the child, Joe Morgan, was not at home. He was outside the street with some miners, and he was sitting with a tense face. When doctor came after performing delivery, the operation, doctor said to Joe Morgan that your mother and baby is fine. So at last, doctor had finally done something good at last, real at last. It showed that doctor has dedication towards the patient, and he is so much courageous, and he has done something very good or done something extraordinary in Blaney City. Thank you.